doing today?
Let's have Bordy draw a parrot for us today.
That's a great idea! Let's go to Bordy the board!
To the board!
To the board, to the magical boardy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagination comes alive.
Hello, Fred and Fiona. What would you like me to draw today?
I have an idea. Bordy, can you draw a parrot?
That's not a parrot. That's a carrot. A parrot is a bird.
Well, that's not a parrot either. That's a chicken.
How do you know?
Because parrots are colorful and can fly.
Colorful, huh? I think we can get a parrot. Are you ready, Fred?
I'm ready.
1, 2,
3, go!
a parrot!
Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We were together and got it right!
Hey, Fiona, what's wrong? You look sad.
This is a nice parrot, but it's all by itself. I want to see where parrots live.
Wait, I know.
A parrot in the ocean? Parrots don't live in the ocean.
A parrot in a doghouse? Parrots don't live in doghouses. That's not right either.
I think we can get it right this time. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We were together and got it right!
Oh no, the parrot is gone.
That's okay. Bordy can help us find the parrot again.
First, we saw a parrot in the ocean, but that's not right. Parrots don't live in the ocean.
Then we saw a parrot in a doghouse, but that's not right either.
That's funny. But we finally got it right. A parrot is a bird that lives in the jungle. Very good, Fiona.
Thank you, Fred. Not too bad yourself.
Goodbye, Fred and Fiona. See you next time.